Hey everyone, welcome to the Veiler channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the disconnected client timeout error in Phasmophobia. There are a few options that might help. Just a heads up, if these don't work, it could be server issues or your VPN. Let's get started. First solution. Right-click the game in your library, go to Properties, Installed Files, and verify game file integrity. That's the first step. Next, open the command prompt and enter these three commands: ipconfig/flushdns, press enter, then ipconfig/release, enter, and finally ipconfig/renew, enter. After that, type netsh winsock reset, enter. Once done, right-click on your internet icon. Go to Internet Options, then change Adapter Settings. Select your active network adapter, right-click, choose Properties, select IPv4, and enter these numbers: 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then restart your PC. This should fix the error. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Veiler out.